This lovely plant that you see here is a lily. It's native to Japan, and the Latin name is Lilium longiflorum. You know this plant a lot better as the Easter lily, and I'm sure you saw lots of these last weekend as we celebrated the Easter holidays. Now you can keep these plants looking attractive in your home. Don't forget they're very toxic to cats. If you do have cats in your household, put these plants someplace where they cannot get at them. Otherwise, make sure you keep the soil evenly moist. Feel it with your finger, and if it starts to feel dry, water it. As the flowers begin to fade, you may wonder what to do with the plant then. Well, plant it outside in your garden. These Easter lilies make outstanding plants in our landscapes. They're hardy and resilient, and they'll come back and bloom for you year after year after year, planted in the right location. Now that location is a spot in a nice well-prepared bed that gets morning sun and a little shade in the afternoon. When you plant these, trim off the old faded flowers, but don't take off any foliage, and plant them so that the level of the root ball is level with the soil of the bed. They'll start to go dormant in midsummer, get all yellow and sickly looking. Don't panic, that's natural. Cut them back to the ground, remember where they are, and around about October they'll come growing up again. Easter lilies grow over the winter and bloom every year around about April, and every year the clump will get larger and produce more flowers for you. So don't forget, add your Easter lilies to your landscape after the holidays are over. They're wonderful for flowers for years to come. Forget it growing. I'm Dan Gill with the LSU AgCenter.